Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we are trying out a really cool face mask that is a little bit different. It is a sheet mask that we all know and love usually, but instead of it being a wet face mask where it's like soaked in a serum or something like that, it is completely dry. So it just kind of boggles my mind. I don't know how well it's gonna work. Like, am I really going to feel a difference after trying it out for just one session? So this is the Charlotte Tilbury. It's the Instant Magic Facial Dry Sheet Mask. Expert facialist results in just 15 minutes. So it claims to hydrate, lift, reduces wrinkles, smooths, and brightens. So definitely all sounds amazing. All things I would want in a sheet mask for sure. And we got some directions here on the back. The first step is to unfold your dry sheet mask. Place the pink side onto your cleansed skin. So my skin is totally cleansed. I don't have anything on my face after it is cleansed. You loop the top hooks over your ears, positioning the mask comfortably over the face. Loop bottom hooks also over the ears, ensuring the mask is smoothed over every facial contour. Gently massage on top to activate your dry mask. Leave mask on for 15 minutes, and the mask can also be used up to 3 times, which is really cool because the wet sheet mask you definitely only use the one time, so you get more bang for your buck. I will look up how much this was. I don't remember off the top of my head right now, but yeah, I'm excited to give this a try with you guys just to like see what we think, but I like that we can use it over and over again. So I'm just going to peel her open. It is a resealable bag, so I will put the mask back in here so I can use it again and it'll stay fresh. Okay, so it's a very light pink. Yeah, it looks just like a sheet mask. You'll see this is the side that is white, and then this is the side that is a little bit pink. I don't know if you guys can tell from the lighting, but it is a little light, soft baby pink, and you can see the Charlotte Tilbury logo kind of on there. Let's give it a try. So I just put it on, and then you put these over. Oh, it's gonna be kind of tight. Okay, it's definitely tight, but it feels comfortable, and I feel like it fits on my face so far pretty nicely. I'm not gonna be able to talk very well once this is on. Okay, and then pulling this part up and over my ear. Wow! She's so cute! Oh my, I feel so delicate, dainty, and cute. Oh my god, I look like one of those like porcelain dolls. I hope people can't see me outside. My like blinds are totally open and I feel like I look like some sort of like murderer or something. This could go awry. But anyway, sorry, distracted. Okay, so once it is on, you gently massage top to activate the dry mask. Okay, so I guess I'll just like massage. And whenever you're putting on serums or massaging your face, always go in upward motions. You really want to work against the gravity. Work all that goodness in. So I'm interested to see how my face will feel because my face definitely felt a little dry just because I washed my face and I didn't put any serum or anything at all on it. So I'm wondering if my face will really feel hydrated afterwards because it feels like a cotton mask, you know, it's completely dry. So I'm really interested to see how it goes. Okay, so I'm going to set a timer for 15 minutes. Oh, even even after massaging the mask a little bit, my hand does feel a little bit oily. So there must be some oils or something infused in there. Timer for 15 minutes. Oh my God, my phone is so dirty. Embarrassing. Okay, 15-minute timer going. Okay, so the mask on Sephora, it's available online only. One mask was $22, so a little bit pricey for one sheet mask, but you could use it 3 times. So just imagine it to be 22 divided by 3, $7.33 a sheet mask. And then you can get 4 for $80. It is a lot of pressure on the ears though, because we have them both kind of pulled really tight on the ears. But this one's kind of cool. Like, it's definitely more comfortable than a wet mask. Like, I feel like when I put on one of those wet masks, can you guys take me seriously when I'm talking to you with this thing on? But I feel like this one is definitely more comfortable than a wet mask, because I feel like I can like wear this around the house and like clean or do whatever I need to do. Where I feel like for the wet mask, like I feel like I do just kind of have to stay laying down or whatever, because you don't want it slipping and sliding or falling off. And then I do get to a point with the wet mask where I'm like, I can't wait to peel it off, because like my face is just like, oh my God, I feel like it's getting itchy or something, that I just want to like, oh, like peel it off. And it's just like so nice to have it off. But this one is really comfortable. Like, I feel like you can walk around and still be super productive when you have it on. So that's one thing. Okay, 15 minutes. Let's do the reveal. Let's see if I am now hydrated, feeling lifted, feeling like my lines are reduced, feeling like I'm smooth and I'm brightened. Let's see, let's see. I am excited for them to be off of my ear though. Oh. Oh, okay. Ooh, okay. Oh my gosh. I definitely do feel hydrated. That is absolutely sure. I think you guys can even see there's like a little bit of like a glow or like a shine to my skin, because it really does feel like almost like a light like sleeping oil or beauty oil or something like that is on my skin. Okay, I mean, it must be just like infused with some sort of like oil or something. Fold it up nicely to keep it fresh, but I definitely want to continue to use that at least 2 more times, get my money's worth. So I'm just going to put her back in to the sealed bag. Make sure she stays nice and fresh for me. Okay, you guys, I was a little bit skeptical because I just didn't understand like how a dry mask would work. I didn't put anything on my face, no serums or anything, and I don't even really feel like I need to put anything else on my skin. But because I'm getting ready for my day now, I will put some moisturizer and some SPF on, but I really don't even feel like I need it. Like, I definitely feel hydrated. Obviously, like the tightening and things like that, not quite, just because I feel like you might want to use it a couple times to see the difference in that. I feel like sometimes the wet ones, you feel kind of like an instant tighten just because it's like wet and then it's drying and you can feel that wetness drying on your face, so then you feel the tighten. But right now I definitely at least feel like it's very hydrating, and then definitely hopefully over time with all the magicness in this mask, it will help reduce line and smooth and brighten. But right now I definitely feel like my skin just feels really hydrated and really glowy, and I do feel bright and fresh, you know? But anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed this. I really do highly recommend giving this a try because this is something different to try, and I liked how it felt a lot better. And I feel like you can kind of walk around and do things. It's more comfortable than one of those wet sheet masks. This is definitely something to give a try if you haven't tried this out before. And $22 to be able to use it 3 times, not too bad. Maybe think about getting the pack of 4 and like gifting it to some of your sisters or friends or whoever, or keep them all for yourself. But anyway, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. This was a fun thing to try out. I'll be sure to link this in the description box below for you to check out directly if you're interested. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions for me. But again, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and ring that notification bell if you haven't done that yet, so you're notified when I post my next video. And as always, please take care of yourselves and each other, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!